It's gonna be a very, very fun day slash weekend. Good morning. It is Friday today, my last Friday in the city, and it's raining. I am on my way to get a cheeky matcha because it's been far too long. It's been 2 days actually. Non mais c'est vraiment très très bon. Good morning, Seoul. It is Saturday, my last Saturday here in the city. We're going to a film camera flea market with Sun and Joanna, who will join us later. I am a little early. I saw this place called 10% and they serve a strawberry matcha cream latte, my favorite. I don't know how much sugar there is in there, but it's a matcha latte, so I gotta have it. It's gonna be a very, very fun day slash weekend. Let me show you my fit. Hi, Sam!
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good. You?
Good, good. I caved in. I bought this little bad boy. And the only reason why I bought it is because they said it's cheaper than online.
It's them, you know.
Apparently this sells for like over 200 euros. Almost 300 actually. And I got it for conversion rate 140. I usually say very happy with my purchase, but I'm not sure. I think when I start using it, I'll be very, very happy. Let's go buy some film and then let's start shooting with this. 아니지. 아 맞아.
It is. The exciting sound.
1, 2, 3. 좋다.
Nice.
Let's go.
맛있다. En live genre. Ouais.
Oh my god.
30만 원 more down.
How do you feel?
I feel very poor.
This girl, she tried my perfume on because I also have the Bergamo 22 at home and I brought it here and she was like, oh, can I try your perfume? I was like, yeah, sure. We meet later and she's like,
Bought it.
I want to buy it.
I want it. I got it.
That's the lifestyle, man.
Yeah.
Don't have to think, just execute.
Don't think.
No thinking,
Just go.
executing.
I
That's
go.
it.
I go. I go. Now once you go hard.
It's so busy, man. We're just
Yeah.
avoiding people at this point. Come during the weekdays, but don't come during the weekend, man. It's so busy. So these are frozen grapes. They're really bad for your teeth. So be careful. They're excellent, but very bad for your teeth. You Look who I'm with! This is our last day in Seoul. So we're meeting up for lunch at Mangwon Sijang. Right now we're waiting for chicken. We always eat chicken together. I mean, can't go wrong.
Nah,
Can't go wrong. Time to eat. Yeah, we were back in Hongdae and I got all of my goods. We're done shopping. Let's hope that everything fits in my suitcase. Go ahead.
You just like that. I mean, the company was with the meat.
Sugary?
No, it's very sugary and sour.
At the same time.
Hi, hi. Let me
Let's go.
My only class, no? I think so.
Love you. Love you. the water.
So she just made her mess. All the spills she made.
Where's the table?
아유 괜찮습니다.
맛있어요.
식빵 괜찮고 무대만 안 붙으시는 상관없어요.
So, okay. How do you feel about living?
I feel bittersweet. I feel like I did a lot of things. Hanging out with my friends for the most part.
듣고 있습니다.
So hanging with my friends, I'm very grateful for them, and I got a full-on Korean experience by staying with Sun and her parents, so I'm very grateful for that as well. I did things that I've been wanting to do for a long time, like sing 17. That was, of course, one of the highlights of the trip. There were things that didn't go my way, electronics breaking, but you know, it's okay. Like, it's just material stuff. But all in all, I think it was a much needed vacation to kind of reset and start on the clean slate when I go back. I consider myself lucky to be able to come to Seoul whenever and have my friends take care of me, and
Friends take care of her. Me? Friends take care of, keep taking care of her. I want credit. Thank you. She's also one. Getting credit. Credit. Look at her. Oh, look at this nose.
I'll just say a very, very good trip. I think it taught me a lot about what is important.
How precious Sun is.
Also, how precious Sun is, how precious Joanna is, and how
That's me, just for the record.
how time flies. Some things you control, some things you don't, but you just gotta go with the flow and keep going. It was a good reset just to be reminded of what's important in my life. So very positive, and I feel like I've grown a lot. So yeah, see you next year.
Cheese.
Apple paint, oh my god. No close up, please. 왜 가방 어쩌냐고. 아씨.
Bye, Sun. For everything. Anything that you need, I'm here.
In a very short time later.
I don't think that feels right on us. It's okay.
저지 마라.
Let's go.
video. Say bye. Thank you. Say bye. Thank you. Thank you. Bye. 진짜 간다.
Just arrived at the airport. It's so early. Came to buy eggs. Walked away with a whole album. And that is a wrap for this Korea vlog series. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the content that I put out. I had a blast here in Korea. I will see you in my next one. Until then, take care. Bye!